In this part of course, we'll be creating connecting rod, a component that links the piston to the crankshaft. It transfers the piston's linear motion into rotational motion. The connecting rod must be strong and lightweight to handle the high-speed movement and extreme forces. Now let's get started with a design. Take new design workspace. Check whether your units are in inches. Okay. Invoke create sketch. Select right plane. Invoke center point arc, and from origin we'll give radius 7. Then we'll draw an arc. Okay. Offset. We'll offset this arc to distance 2. Okay. Now we can connect this offset arcs. Invoke line tool and connect the arcs. Okay. Now to make the sketch fully constrained, horizontal constraint, and give constraint between this. Okay. Now we can extrude it. Invoke extrude feature. Profile is already selected, and in direction symmetric. Measurement wall length, and give the distance as 13. Okay. Now invoke create sketch and sketch on the right plane. Take line tool, make it construction. Draw a center line. Invoke circle tool, deactivate the construction line, and on the construction center line, draw a circle of diameter 14. Now we'll give distance between circle and origin. 50. Okay. Now take project tool, project the arc. Okay. Then take line tool, from the end of the arc, draw a line, then perpendicular line, horizontal line, and connect to the circle. And give dimension, this distance 7. The angle is 97 degree. Okay. Now this distance, let's give as 6.5. And here 14. Okay. Now we can mirror it. Invoke mirror feature. Select all the lines. Mirror line, center line. Okay. Now we can trim this circle. Invoke extrude feature. Selected the profile. Direction symmetric. Measurement wall length, and give the distance of 6. Okay. Let's bring it to a isometric view. Now we can give fillet. Invoke fillet feature and select full round fillet. Now we have to select this face Add one more selection. Cross it. Add selection. And we have to click on the center. Okay. Now our fillet is created. Now select this face as sketching plane. We'll draw a circle. Invoke circle tool. And here let's do a circle of diameter 3. And here also 3. Since the first circle is not fully constrained, we'll give concentric constraint. Now we can extrude it. Invoke extrude feature. Select the profiles and we can cut throughout. Okay. Now we have to select the right plane as sketching plane. Invoke circle tool. Vertically from origin, draw a circle of diameter 14 and then another circle of diameter 7. Now we can give concentric constraint. Okay. Invoke extrude feature. Select this profile, symmetry, wall length, and distance is 13. Okay. Okay, now we'll give fillet. Invoke fillet feature. We have to select and type choose fillet and then select this edge here and give fillet of radius 1 and another fillet here, and this here will give fillet of radius 5. Okay. Next we will select this face as sketching plane and we'll start sketching on this plane. Invoke circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 28. Take 3-point arc. From this circle to here, randomly draw an arc. Take line tool. From the end of the arc till here and an arc, then straight line, then another arc. Okay. I will give dimensions. This radius is 2. And the distance between this is 1.8. I will give parallel constraint to this. Okay. Now we'll apply dimension 1.8. Here this radius 2. Here also radius 2. Now we can trim the circle. Okay. Here also trim it. take extrude feature, select this profile, and we are going to extrude cut this to -1. Okay. Now we can mirror this feature to the opposite face. Invoke mirror feature. In object type, select features and select the extrude feature from timeline. Mirror plane. Select this plane. Okay. Now the feature have been mirrored. We have successfully completed designing the connecting rod, a component that connects the piston to the crankshaft. With this part done, we are one step closer to completing our 4-cylinder engine build. Stay tuned for next component.